Hi, welcome back to another Message Center update with me, Mark Stokes. Today we're going to be talking about an updated timeline to a feature that's been previously announced. This is relating to Microsoft Teams revised in-meeting share experience, and this is Message Center ID MC235111, and this is basically an information post. So Microsoft previously communicated that the in-meeting share experience, so when you click the little share button and gives you access to Microsoft Whiteboard or your Windows that you might want to share with the rest of the meeting, they're revising the experience there. So they're hopefully making it more granular to be able to choose the tab or the whiteboard that users want to share, and hopefully making that a better experience for users. The updated timeframes are that the rollout is now going to take place through the end of March, which was previously mid-February, and that's going to run through the end of April, which was previously mid-March. So this is a tenant level rollout. All users will see this at the same time. Now, I believe that I'm already seeing this in my tenant. I have been using it for a little while now. I've got to be honest, I'm not awfully convinced on this at the moment. I find it quite difficult to share the right tab. Quite often I share what I think is the tab I want to share, but nothing actually gets shared, and I find another copy of it down below. Hopefully this is a small bug or just user error. I'll be happy if that's the case, and that gets resolved. So this is coming through. There's going to be an update. Hopefully it will be better for users. I'd be interested to hear how your users are using it, whether you think it's better or worse. So please do let me know and communicate back. Anyway, quick update. That's all we've got today. So thank you very much for joining me, and I shall see you next time.